Now on this one, we'll have to remove this clip that goes here. So you can just press and pull and it comes out. And then we have to remove this bolt right here. And you have to take out this piece right here. Let me show you. Right here. So what you have to do is just using your two hands, you gotta pull this part out and then this part out as well, and then just pull out and it should come out. Yeah, you can move these cables to the side. Hold on. Using a 12mm socket and a 1/4 ratchet, we're going to be removing this bolt. There it is. Now gently, you can move this, it should come out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this part right here because I don't want any debris to go inside. Alright, now we're removing this one. Like I told you, you gotta press the tool to the side and then it comes out. This is held right here on the underneath, I don't know, right here. So what we can do is just pull up and it comes out. Just wiggle this and it should come out. Alright, mine was cracked somewhere around here. Let me see if I can find it. Somewhere around here, because I saw bubbles coming out. So the AC was coming out from here. This is why it wasn't working. When I was putting an AC on, the compressor was turning on. And like 2 days later, there was no more freon because there was a leak right here.
Please give a big thumbs up to this video, like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when I keep posting videos. Thank you so much, guys. As always, peace.